Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this very beautiful circa 1960s Vulcain 17 jewels. This is a very popular watch brand that made some amazing watches. As you can see, this is a very elegant ladies piece, so a cocktail dress art deco watch. Very elegant, very beautiful, decorated. As you can see, the watch case has these triangles at the ends, so-called lugs, that are very beautifully decorated and that actually have a few stones, most likely precious stones, maybe even diamonds. They are too small for us to test. This is a manual winding mechanical watch in very good working condition. It winds very easily. Also, as you can see, it has the original bracelet, also in immaculate condition, stainless steel bracelet. As you can see, it is extensible. You can easily flip it around, and here on the back we can see a base metal bezel and stainless steel back. So this is a full stainless steel watch. We have other pieces that, for example, have 10K markings, or let's say that they are gold plated, just like this Caravel by Bulova. If you want to check it out, I have a full video about it. The dial and the watch crystal has this ellipse shape. As you can see, a very thick watch crystal. It has simple Arabic numerals from 1 to 12, 17 jewels once again, which actually represents the number of jewels in the movement. And also, let's have a look at the movement. So guys, this is the movement of the watch, so of the Vulcain mechanical ladies piece. As you can see, a very simple stainless steel movement, very beautiful, very nice condition. It also writes here 17 jewels. As you can see, the balance wheel is moving, the watch is working, and it keeps very accurate time. We also have some information on the inner part of the back case. As you can see, Canada, Prescott. That is something that you can only see on the inner part, because as you can see here, we only have stainless steel back and base metal bezel. So guys, that was the video about this beautiful 1960s Vulcain mechanical ladies piece. If you enjoyed this watch, if you want to see more about it or even purchase it, we have it for sale on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. We have thousands of vintage watches for men and women, so make sure to check them out. Once again, link in the description below. And guys, if you enjoy videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment, let me know if you own a Vulcain watch, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.